Because the mind already practiced success. This sentence is very powerful for the law of attraction. Then your actions change. Your confidence grows. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself speaking English clearly, confidently, without fear, without stress. What if I told you that your mind can practice English even before your mouth does? Today, you are going to learn English not only with words, but with your imagination. This lesson can change the way you learn English forever.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today's lesson is very special. We are learning English using visualization. Visualization means seeing success in your mind before it happens. Let's learn some powerful words. Imagine, to see something in your mind. Picture, a clear image in your mind. Future, the time after today. Success, achieving your goal. Repeat after me. Imagine. Picture. Future. Success. Very good. Now let's learn today's English pattern. I imagine myself plus verb ing. This sentence is very powerful for the law of attraction. Examples. I imagine myself speaking English confidently. I imagine myself learning new words easily. I imagine myself improving every day. Repeat after me slowly. I imagine myself speaking English confidently. I imagine myself learning new words easily. I imagine myself improving every day. Excellent! The law of attraction teaches us this truth. Your mind believes what you see repeatedly. When you imagine success again and again, your brain starts to accept it as real. Then your actions change, your confidence grows, and your English improves naturally. Visualization prepares your future. Let me tell you a short story. There is a student. At first, the student is afraid to speak English. But every day, the student closes their eyes and thinks, I imagine myself speaking English clearly. I imagine myself talking to people confidently. After some time, the fear becomes smaller. The confidence becomes stronger. Because the mind already practiced success. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I imagine myself speaking English fluently. I imagine myself talking without fear. I imagine myself learning English easily. I imagine myself becoming confident. I imagine myself achieving success. Great job! Now comes the most important part. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath. Close your eyes if you want. Now listen. Imagine yourself in the future. You are speaking English calmly. Your words are clear. People are listening to you. You feel confident. You feel proud. Say in your mind, I imagine myself speaking English confidently. I imagine myself improving every day. I imagine myself successful. Take one more deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Now it's your turn. Create one sentence using the pattern, I imagine myself. Say it out loud now. Wonderful! Remember this powerful truth. Your future English starts in your imagination. See it, feel it, believe it. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Comment below, what do you imagine yourself doing in English? I will see you in the next lesson. Stay positive, keep visualizing, keep learning.